Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. I'm going to introduce a new model this year. It's a very new mini scooter, which is very small, compact, that allow you to put into a very small compartment area. Very easy storage, very easy to carry. This scooter here have two sections for adjusting the frame size by lifting the knob here, and then there are two holes here to lock the position you want. Either you can choose to the other shorter one. Even the kids can sit on it. The folding is just very easy. Leave the bar under the seat, put it down, and then turn the knob here. Lower it down. This way we can carry it. This scooter is also kind of light, it's around 18 kilograms roughly. Open this one, we can just lift the handlebar up, knock the lock, and then push the seat back. When you click, hear the click sounds, that's done. The battery here is a one-piece design right here. You can just take it out, take it inside your home, connect to the chargers. Then you can do a charging for connecting to any power source. Right, that's very simple and easy. We have a teeter adjust anti-tilt wheel on the back. Nice finishing, and also the look of the back of the wheel, the scooter is really nice. Another way of charging, you can do the charging port here. Simply just connect the charging port of the charger. You can do charging directly to the scooter. We have a speed adjustment. We have a lever for control the front and forward and backward, and also the switch here indicating of the battery capacity. I think this is pretty neat. If you need lighter weight, more small size of the scooter, you gotta choose this one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.